Hi. I like birds. Wow, such a creative thing, Evan. Wow. Thank you. Ow. Anyway, I love birds, especially cockatiels. I mean, just look at their fuzzy little Pikachu cheeks and like, I want it. God looked at these things and thought Pikachu plus literally any other bird. Perfect. Now, as cute as cockatiels are, they are a lot of work and care, and you can't just go out and get one after seeing this video or willy-nilly, because it's a really big commitment, and if you just go out and get one, don't expect it to live unless you've done the proper research, because these are very high maintenance. I mean, if they just burn a candle, they'll just die. Or even if you have the wrong plants, they'll die and they need the proper size cage, or else they'll die. Just like, do your research before getting one. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and bye bye. I hope you all enjoyed this video, as I found it really fun to make, as it was my, third ever animation, and I really enjoyed making it. So I hope you all enjoyed watching it, and of course the animation isn't that good, and I do apologize. I will try my best to make the animation better in the future. Anyway, for now, bye bye.